Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new products for you, so let's get started. So first I like to show you the easy 3D toppers that just came in, the garden fairies. And there are 10 of those toppers in each bag, and each topper is individually wrapped and has 3 steps, so you can layer them into 3D embellishments. And here are those beautiful, cute fairies and pixies. This is how it works. I'm sorry, didn't get it correct here. And look how cute they are. So pretty. Beautiful fairy imagery. Okay, so 10 in this bag, and look what beautiful cards they make. Here is my happy birthday card. Now with this card I have used, and also with some of the other cards that I'm going to show you today, I have used the new Misty Rose pad, and I'll show that to you in a minute. But here I didn't use all 3 layers. I just used 1 layer and put it on a wobbler. Look at this. So it sits on this wobbling device and it kind of moves. And so just that you know, the next orders that come in, I will throw in a couple of these for free. So there's a little bonus that I'm going to add to your order as supplies last. So here is my first cute fairy card, and there is my second one. Now look at this. First of all, the beautiful fairy, but then also this gorgeous paper. Now let's look through this. Well, first of all, there are these cute butterflies. This is both Prima, Misty Rose, and we have 12 glittery butterflies that have pearls. And here is one of them on the card. But then we have this A4, and you can see the dimensions right here. It has 30 sheets, 6 double-sided designs, and they are in there 5 times. So yeah, we have these beautiful, you have some script here, some watercolor, beautiful roses. This one I used for my card, and then also, of course, this one I used for my card. So here are the 2 fairy cards, and then also brand new are these cameos or brooches, and I love those. They are vintage, but look how gorgeous they are. They look so real and so plastic. These have some glitter on them. And again, there are 10 in each bag. And they come with roses and with a perfume bottle, feathers. And I also made a couple of cards. Look at this one, and here again is paper from the Misty Rose paper pad. There's a cute butterfly, and then this gorgeous design layered. Love this. And here I even used the front of the paper pad. See where it has all the different designs? So I cut these out and made an embellishment for this card. And I made another one. This one here has the perfume bottle, and some background paper. Here is a tag that I made from my scraps. I have these all posted on Facebook if you want to see what I did with all my scraps, because I do want to use them up. I still have millions left, but yeah, I made this cute tag. And yeah, I love those fairies, and I also like the cameos. So then I wanted to show you quickly what is back in stock. We have the chairs with flowers, and look at those vintage chairs with those beautiful flower arrangements. So they are back in stock. Also, our most popular items, the bicycles, are back. And remember, there are 10 in each bag. Then we have the coffee and tea embellishments, and then also our umbrellas with the flowers. So they're all back in stock. And the coffee and tea, my sister from Germany sent me a birthday card and used the embellishment from this pack, and I thought it came out so cute. And it says Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, which is basically best wishes for your birthday. Thank you all for watching my video today. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Also, please leave me a comment. All the information is in the info box below. And then please join us on Facebook in our European Papercrafts Friends Facebook group. Please upload your own craft projects. I love to see what you create. But for today, this is all. Thanks again, and I'll catch you later. Bye.